Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another video, and today I wanted to make a very urgent video regarding the stock Arrival, ticker symbol ARVL. Just wanted to give a little bit of motivation on a tough day like today where Arrival got absolutely destroyed. I mean, last time I checked, Arrival was at $3, and it just seems to be going lower and lower. It seems to be no floor, no end to the selling, and at this point, people are starting to think that this company might go to zero, but I remain optimistic. I told you guys from the beginning, a stock like this is risky. I love it. I'm still extremely bullish on it, but this is not the type of stock where you want to have like 50% of your net worth in, because they have a lot to prove. They really do. I'll be honest, they have a lot to prove. But I just wanted to go ahead and provide some motivation to you guys real quick and show you that this isn't the first stock that has been in this situation and was able to bounce back. And so let me go ahead and show you guys. So everybody knows NIO stock, right? Ticker symbol NIO. It's a Chinese electric vehicle company, right? Let's go ahead and look at the 5-year chart. Okay, so if you look at the 5-year chart, obviously NIO is a huge company now. Everybody knows about it. A lot of people love it. A lot of people are invested in it. And as you can see, at the height, it went up to $61, right? We can see that. Okay. And so if you go down to 2020, if you go down to 2020, and let's go back to when they IPO. Let's see. It looks like they IPO'd in 2018, right? So let's look at 2018, right? They IPO'd in 2018, and they had some good days and down days. They IPO'd in 2018. It looks like they IPO'd at like maybe like $7 to $10. It looks like something like that. And if you look at the story behind NIO, it's been a very bumpy ride. Just look at the stock. Look at it. It's just been in the gutter. It traded flat for years. That's basically what happened from 2018 all the way to 2020. If you look, the stock did the exact same thing that Arrival did. It at one point, let's see, $5, $3, $2 right here, $3. Let's see how low it went. Oh my goodness, look at this. This stock went as low as $1.60, similar to what Arrival's doing, But the main point of me giving you guys this motivation is because once NIO started to prove itself and get itself out of a bad situation and started to produce cars and deliver cars and get itself together, you can see what happened. 2020, I think, was the first year NIO actually started to do something, right? Yeah, 2020. So as you can see right here on this chart, 2020 around May is when NIO started to finally get it together. And I don't know what they did because I wasn't investing in NIO back then, but I'm pretty sure they started producing cars and making sales, and the cars look good and people started buying them. And look at what happened with NIO within the last 2 years since 2020. It went from freaking $3 right here, and at one point $1, all the way, here we go, to $14. Then it tanked a little bit, right? And then you just keep looking, it just went to the freaking moon. It just went to the absolute moon. And so my main message in this video is, whenever you start to get bearish on Arrival or start to rethink what you're doing, just go back and look at the business model and kind of compare it to NIO and how NIO's story kind of went. Because I bet you, if I research NIO, I bet you NIO and Arrival's story are very, very similar. And what I want to say is, I'm still extremely bullish on Arrival. I know things look horrible right now. It looks like the company's about to go bankrupt. It looks like they're about to go to zero. I get it, but you guys have to understand, making electric vehicles is not easy. The electric vehicle business is an extremely hard business. Now, the other thing I wanted to say is, let me go ahead and go to my Twitter. It looks like there was a short report released on NIO. I think the name of the firm is Third Bridge. Yeah, it looks like Team Third Bridge. I don't know who Third Bridge is. It says here, the world's largest platform of primary research for investors. We help thousands of investors daily to obtain unique perspectives not found anywhere else. Yeah, I don't know, but they look like a short report like company or something, like one of those shorting firms, right? And I'm gonna tell you why, because if you look here, you can see this tweet right here. They basically said that they're just saying bad things about Arrival. They're saying dead on Arrival. Arrival management recently lowered volume expectations on their Q3 2021 earnings call. but failed to give any clarity on just how many vehicles will be produced in 2022. First of all, Q3 happened eons ago, so I don't even know what they're talking about. And then as you can see, they're just going on this long little thread. It looks like a short report was actually released on Arrival not too long ago, which is something that I didn't know. But you guys know how the stock market is. There are a lot of sharks. There are a lot of bad people. There are good people, but there are a lot of bad people who try to take advantage of retail investors and things like that, and also vulnerable companies. And right now, unfortunately, Arrival is a vulnerable company. But like I said, I'm still a big believer in Arrival. I don't think the management is fraudulent or liars. I don't think this is going to be another what was the name of that company? Lordstown. There you go. I don't think this is going to be another Lordstown Motors. I really don't. I think Arrival is still going to do well in 2022 and beyond. The problem is they just got to get a freaking car or bus on the road. That's all they got to do. They just got to get something out there. They need to deliver those orders. They need to get these cars made, and they need to get these darn things on the road. Once they do that, Arrival should start to bounce and do well. And so, like I said, as of right now, I have not sold a single share of Arrival. I never will sell a single share of Arrival, because all of the money that I have in Arrival is money that I could afford to lose. And like I said, I'm still very bullish on Arrival, so we'll see what happens. Like I said, this is a long-term game. They're going to have a long time before they become profitable. Long time. But as long as they could get the cars on the road and we can see the business start to scale and show some type of progress, I'm going to remain bullish on it. So there you have it. That'll go ahead and conclude today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.